Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off your Nissan Altima lights. First, find the headlight control stalk, typically on the left side of your steering wheel. This stalk has several positions. To completely turn off your main headlights, rotate the end of the stalk to the off setting. If your high beams are on, simply push the stalk forward to activate them and pull it back towards you to switch them off. You can also pull and release the stalk to flash your high beams. Many Nissan Altimas feature an auto setting on the light stalk. This convenient feature automatically turns your headlights on when it gets dark and off when it's bright. However, if you wish to manually control them, simply rotate the stalk from auto to the off position or to the parking lights or low beam setting. Remember to keep the light sensor on your dashboard clear for accurate operation. Your Altima also has specific controls for parking and fog lights. To turn on your parking lights, which include tail lights and instrument panel illumination, rotate the headlight stalk to the designated parking light symbol. If your vehicle has fog lights, you'll find a separate inner collar on the headlight stalk. Rotate this collar to turn your fog lights on or off. They typically operate only when your low beam headlights are active. Sometimes, your lights might seem to stay on longer than expected. If this happens, first double-check your headlight stalk is in the off position. Automatic lights often have a delay, staying on for about 1 to 5 minutes after you turn off the engine and exit the vehicle. This is a normal courtesy feature. To prevent battery drain, always ensure your lights are fully off, especially if you plan to leave your Altima parked for an extended period.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.